Hey everybody, CindyALewis here for you for Friday giveaway winner announcement for October 20th. I am so stoked about this giveaway this month. The nesting dies, the oval shape, how cool is that? It's just amazing. So we're gonna jump in here. I already have the URL in place from last week's video, so we're gonna fetch that, and then we're going to come down here and select keyword filter for Friday giveaway, which is already in there. Isn't that cool? All right, and then we're going to allow duplicates because you can enter every day, and we're going to get the number of entries. So we're going to continue. And there's 68. That's amazing. So when I pick a winner, it's going to go really fast. And I am getting everything compiled this weekend. I meant to do it last weekend. It's just been a lot since I went out of town and got back home. So forgive me if yours is running late, but it will get to you, I promise. All right. So let's pick a winner. And Margarita Silva. Margarita, didn't you just win something? That's awesome. 2 things. Awesome, girl. Okay, so Margarita won this for October 20th. Now, there's one more Friday giveaway for October and another set of nesting dies. Next month, it's going to be really fun. I'll announce it next week, but it is going to be all for your Christmas craftiness. So hopefully you'll enjoy that. Anyway, okay, Friday giveaway is your keyword to enter in this video in the description, underneath the description in the comments, to win another set of the oval nesting dies. You must be 18 or older, subscriber to my channel because I am celebrating my subscribers. You must put the keywords in and you can enter every single day. If you share the video, you can enter again. So I do encourage you to share so that my videos will get out there more. And if you would do me a favor and go down there and just click like. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, welcome. Put where you're from. I'm curious to see where all people watch my videos. So don't forget to put Friday giveaway. And congratulations to Margarita for winning again. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great night.